Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you 5 great and easy songs for the campfire. I will show you them in a great version so you can just start out and play beautiful songs together with your friends. Let me show you what you can expect from this video. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. 'Cause I'm free, free falling. When you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? So you have 5 really famous songs that everybody likes. We have some oldies, some newer stuff, really great things going on there. And the good thing is you can play them with just a few chords, and those songs have one thing in common. They have the chord progression going throughout the whole song. So if you learned the chord progression of the first part of a song, you got it for all the parts of the song. Great, easy to remember when you're just playing in the park, at the campfire, whatever. Just have lots of fun with it. Before we start out, please make sure to check out my free lessons, which you find in the video description. Tons of cool lessons there for you to get a great basis to play the guitar. An acoustic, an electric, doesn't really matter. Please feel free to check them out and get a great basis. So, we start out with the first song, which is obviously called Knockin' on Heaven's Door. And I try to make the chords as similar as possible for all the songs. So on the one hand, it's easy to remember, but I try to choose chords which are really colorful and give you a great song just with one guitar without any band sound or other instruments. So we start out with a G major chord like this, really full sounding. 3rd fret E string, 2nd fret A string, ring finger, 3rd fret B string, and pinky goes to the 3rd fret of the high E string. All 6 strings, please. Knock, knock, D sus 4. Leave the ring and the pinky where they are and go with the index to the 2nd fret of the G string and don't play the low E and A string. So it's G. Knock, knock, D sus 4 going to A minor 7. What a sound, isn't it? Pinky stays on the 3rd fret of the E string, middle finger goes to the 2nd fret of the D string, and the index goes to the 1st fret of the B string. Leave out the low E string. So it's G. G, G, D sus 4 going to A minor 7, again A minor 7, G. G, G, D sus 4 going to C added 9. Looks like the G chord, but a little bit different. Ring finger and pinky are still on the 3rd fret of the B and the E string. The middle finger is now on the 3rd fret of the A string, and the index in the 2nd fret of the D string. Don't play the low E string here. So we have in total G going to D sus 4 to A minor 7, again A minor 7, G going to D sus 4, going to C, added 9 twice. G, this is for going to A minor, going to G, 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 D, 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 and to C. The strumming pattern can be down, 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 up, 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 down. Really similar chords going on, but one chord less, just working with G, C, and D is Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver. We have G, all leaving, C, 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 G, 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 to C, 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 G, all C, 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 D. So we have the progression between G, C, G, C, G, C, and then comes the D. In terms of strumming, we can do down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Again, D, down, down, up from the top. It goes for the verses and the chorus. So always the same. G, C, G, C, G, C, D, D, G, C, G, C, G, C, D, D, and so on, and so on. So, second great song. You can play anywhere you want. Really easy to remember. Then we go to another classic, Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. We have, and you can play this really easy by just doing play the same versions of G, C, and D and play it like this. G, C, again C, C, G, D. Okay? G, C, C, G, D, and G, C, C, G, D, and G, C, C, G, and G, C, C, G, D, yeah, I'm G, C, C, G, D, free G, C, C, G, D, and so on. Always the same, verse, chorus, whatever. Great song. I love Tom Petty. Going to Bruno Mars. It's not like brand new, but it's not that old like the stuff I played before. It's still a classic, I think, in pop music. So we have G, E minor 7, and C. So we use the G and the C added 9 we just used before, and we add another chord, which is E minor 7 going like this. If you've ever played Wonderwall before, you know that one. Leaving the ring finger and the pinky on the 3rd fret of the B and E string, and the index and the middle finger playing on the 2nd fret of the A, 2nd fret of the D string, and please play all 6 strings. So we have starting chord G, and you smile, the whole world E minor 7, going to C added 9, just the way you G. Again starting from G. When you G, going to E minor 7, going to C added 9, going back to G. The strumming pattern can be just downstrokes. And when you G, going to E minor 7, going to C, going back to play an accent. Do you hear that I play one strum louder than the others? And this helps to groove. So you can play it like this. One and two And the last song is What's Up by the Fallin Blondes. I think it's a classic. We play it like this, also with a G. Going to A minor 7 again. Remember, was going on the knocking on heaven's door. Going to C. What's going on? And to the G, 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 A minor 7, to the C and a 9, and back to the G, and from the top G, 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 A minor 7, to the C and a 9, and to the G. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Slow. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you have 5 great songs, easy to remember, great sounding chords with a lot of color in them, and I hope you learned a lot in this video. You had fun with this video. We will play the songs now and experience the sheer beauty of those really beautiful chords. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment or just write me an email, and make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find under this video in the video description. Please take a look there. Have fun with this too. No matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric guitar, it will be a great basis for you and help you to understand what I'm teaching you here on my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.